Hello people, good day. This is your own boy Rashid, Stay Dem TV, and recently this train you're looking at was heading to Ibadan from Lagos, and the ACs were told stopped working.
Hey, Omo, train of how many days? So our ACs, now. Hey, Chief.
The ACs stopped working. In an enclosure, you cannot wind down. You have literally hundreds of people on board, and the AC stopped working. This is a train that has not even served for 2 months. A train that the president, our former head of state in the 80s, and now President Buhari, came to launch with all the paparazzi in Lagos just barely 3 weeks ago. And the ACs new. You couldn't need any problem. You know, if there's gonna be issues in a train or in a car or anything, compressor for AC or ACs should be the least that you should even be talking about. That shows you the state of what was purchased for us. You know, what we're just asking from our leaders is simple. We're just saying, please, satisfy the citizens with infrastructures, with jobs, with shelter, with basic things of life. Let the graduates get jobs and make the infrastructures available. We'll pay for it. But paying for what does not work? Come on, the same thing with roads. Our fixed roads. And one rainy season, the roads are bad. You're in potholes again. You are driving through the river of the valley of whatever again. How long is this going to continue? Just look at the people. Look at how they are complaining, how they are sweating for a train that was hyped. The paparazzi was amazing just not long ago. We need to change our ways. My name is Rashid. This is Stay Dem TV. If you've not subscribed, this is the time for you to click the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that when I have a new video, you're one of the first to know about it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share with your friends, drop a comment for me. I always respond to your comment. Thank you for subscribing. I gotta go now. Bye-bye.